Hey there sailors, in this video I'm going to show you how you can make the millstone in Windrose. Now there are some prerequisites that you are going to have to do before you can even get the millstone building. Now over on my map right now, I'm on the first area of the foothills. In case you're wondering what the foothills are, over on your journal, go over to discovery right here. This is pretty much the second map of the game that you can unlock after you defeated the main boss of the first one from the coastal jungles. Once you defeated Thomas Richards, your main mission should lead you to an island that is the foothills. And here you're going to discover very important materials, one of them being corn. Because once you've discovered corn, you can pretty much unlock the blueprint for millstones. Now in case you're wondering how you can find corn, we do have a video of it on the channel, so you might want to check it out. Alright, now back on my base, go over to building mode and go over to the refining category. And you can find the millstones right here. But first, you need to make the millstone parts, which you can make inside the workbench. And thankfully, the millstone parts only cost 15 pieces of stone, so it's pretty cheap. Now do keep in mind of the description of the millstones, in that it requires a roof and only works within the bonfire range. So place this somewhere with a roof and within the bonfire. Alright, now once you place it down, press down E to use it. You can then make all of the recipes that you managed to make thus far. And that's pretty much about it on how to make the millstone in Windrose.